Love isn't planted in a day. It grows one season at a time. Planted hope with careful hands, not knowing what tomorrow plans. Some days sunshine, some days rain, still we planted just the same.
Little prayers before we slept, promises we always kept, brick by brick and year by year.
Love was growing quietly here. Time became our closest friend, teaching hearts how not to bend. Every lesson, every scar showed us who we really are. Not perfection, not pretending, just two hearts that kept believing. Every sunrise seemed to show another place where love could grow. Every season,
Every season,
every tear,
every reason
brought us here. Where love grows, hope keeps blooming, faith keeps moving, even after all we've known. Oh, where love grows, hearts keep healing,
dreams keep reaching,
roots grow deeper than they're shown. Oh, through every storm, through every rose, that's where love grows.
Some flowers bloom a little late, still they blossom just the same. Love has never raced the clock, it simply learns to never stop.
Look around at what we've made, every sacrifice we pay. Not in riches, not in gold, but in a love that's learned to grow.
Forgiveness watered every dream,
Patience helped our roots grow deep.
kindness became the sunlight.
Grace became the rain.
Every season
Every change
only made us
stronger. Where love grows,
hearts find shelter, hands hold tight. Every tomorrow starts today.
oh, where love grows,
Hope keeps singing, joy keeps living. Nothing beautiful comes too soon. Through every storm,
through every storm,
through every rose,
that's where
love grows. Hey, love grows.
hey,
Every season.